Welcome to week 26, 27, and 28 of dollar cost averaging $10,000 in the bear market. As you guys know, this week was pretty exciting and we saw some projects start to pump, especially after XRP won the lawsuit against the SEC. Obviously, it was not a clear victory, but it was definitely amazing for the crypto space. And hopefully, this can trigger a mini rally in the next couple of weeks and months. In my opinion, this is definitely good news for the overall market, especially altcoins. Personally, I did not own a huge bag of XRP, so I did not make a ton of money after their lawsuit. But I'm very happy for all the people that were holding XRP. Now they're sitting on some profits, hopefully. Also, the XRP victory came out of nowhere. It pretty much blindsided everybody. Nobody expected it to happen this week, but it did. And in my opinion, this just goes to show you that buying at the very bottoms when everyone has lost interest sometimes definitely pays off. And that is exactly what I'm attempting to do with the low cap gems that I ended up purchasing today. And now let's go directly to the spreadsheet so I can show you exactly what I purchased today. Let's go. All right, as you can see, we started out with $10,000 and our weekly budget is about $192 every single week. Most of the time, I simply round it up to 200 a week. And we started out with 10,000. Now we have $5,042 left, and a lot less after today's purchases. As you can see, we ended up buying Somatic, Pendle, Cardano, Hello, Flash Stake, Polkadot, Silo, Cadena, and KDEX. A lot of these projects I'm accumulating, but the majority of them that I have been accumulating over the last couple of weeks have been the low cap gems such as Pendle, Hello, Flash Stake, and Silo Finance. So for week 26, 27, and 28, I ended up purchasing Hello at 0.041. I spent $201.59 and I was able to get 4,902 Hello tokens. Also, the following week, I ended up purchasing Silo Finance at 0.52. I also spent $201.46 and I was able to get 3,728 tokens. And then today I ended up purchasing some Pendle at 0.88 cents. I spent a total of $207 and I got 226 Pendle tokens. And now we are going to do some math. We are going to subtract the amount of money that we spent today from the total budget, which is $5,042.12. So we are going to subtract the $201 that we spent on Hello, and then we are going to subtract the $201.46 that we spent on Silo Finance, and we are going to subtract $207 that we spent on Pendle. Now our total budget left is $4,432.07. So we are more than halfway through the budget, and we are also more than halfway through the year. But I will continue to buy every single week until the end of the year, until our budget is pretty much at zero. And now our total Pendle position is 2,076.06. Our total Hello position is 19,422, and our total Silo Finance position is 13,600. Personally, I believe all three of the projects that I purchased today are definitely good long-term holds, and I will continue to accumulate all three of them. A lot of people are suggesting that after XRP won the lawsuit, it pretty much began the next bull market. Personally, I'm not 100% convinced, but in my opinion, right now is a great time to start buying and great time to get back in the crypto space and start accumulating projects that you believe in. I also believe if you wait until 2024 when the actual Bitcoin halving occurs, or you wait even longer, in my opinion, you're probably going to end up buying at higher prices. Personally, I have been buying all year of 2023, and I will continue to do so in 2024 until Bitcoin hits an all-time high once again. That's pretty much my plan, and that is exactly what I'm doing. Obviously, not financial advice. Do what is right for your crypto portfolio. All right, everybody, that concludes this update video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you the next one. Peace out.